On the northeastern coast of South China Sea, there stands a city of culture and innovation. Embraced by the Blue Sea and blessed by the Great Harbor, it is the famous hometown for millions of overseas Chinese. For the past century, it has been a unique city of commerce, a national special economic zone, and an important gateway for the 21st century maritime Silk Road. And this is Shantou. With the blue bay, green rocks and cliffs as part of the urban center, situated in a premium area crossed by the Tropic of Cancer, Shantou is a central city in eastern Guangdong province and the southern hub of Haiqi economic zone. The Chaozhou Shantou or Chaoshan culture, which dates back thousands of years ago, has created a tradition of great respect for talents, learning, education, and arts and crafts. The centuries-old villages with ancient roads all bear witness to the glorious history and cultural brilliance of Shantou as the gateway for the maritime Silk Road. As a most famous hometown for overseas Chinese, Shantou has always been an open, inclusive, and innovative city. Today, over 3.4 million Chaoshan overseas Chinese, compatriots from Hong Kong, Macau, and Taiwan, and many Chaoshan businessmen working in other parts of China. Mr. Li Kai-sheng, for example, has donated more than 8 billion Hong Kong dollars to support Shantou University. With his strong advocacy and the support of Guangdong Province and Shantou City, the Guangdong Technion Israel Institute of Technology, or GTIIT, will start its global recruitment of students this year, firmly committed to the building of an innovative university with a high-level international education in science and technology. At present, Shantou is ushering in a golden opportunity for leapfrog development and comprehensive revitalization. The Overseas Experimental Zone, the National High-Tech and China-Israel Science and Technology Innovation and Cooperation Zone, and the Shantou Harbor area. These three major platforms have accelerated their development with well-identified foci, so as to build key areas for advanced manufacturing and modern service industries, and provide powerful support in terms of industry, technology, talent, market, and model for the creation of the Shantou Bay urban pattern and the One Bay Two Banks core circle. Transportation infrastructure is improving day by day. Shantou Port is one of the 25 major ports in China, with exchange of goods and business with 268 ports in 57 countries and regions, thus becoming a major port with over 100 million tons of goods imported and exported annually. The Xiamen-Shenzhen high-speed rail will be extended to Shantou by the end of this year, and the Guangzhou-Meizhou-Shantou rail will add a second line. The construction of a 350 km/h high-speed coastal rail, the Shantou-Jianjiang Expressway, the Chaozhou-Shantou Express Ring Road, and the Intercity Rail is being speeded up. The creation of a modern integrated transportation system will help build the 1-hour living sphere within eastern Guangdong, and the 3-hour living sphere within the Pearl River Delta and the Xiamen-Zhangzhou-Quanzhou region. Shantou's economy has been developing very fast, with solid strides by its 8 major industries such as textile, clothing, chemical, plastic, arts and crafts, toys, food and medicine. With 17 industrial clusters and 9 top national and regional brands. Shantou is most well known for its industrial bases, one of the largest 3 for arts and crafts and toys, the largest in China for manufacturing underwear, one of the top 4 for stationery and for printing and packaging machinery and equipment. Shantou has a total of 31 companies listed on the main board and 53 listed on the new board, which makes the city a leader among cities with similar administrative status and creates a Shantou plate out of the capital market in China. Ranking among the top 100 best cities in China for investment, top 50 for information and communication, a China brand economy city, a national IPR model city, and a national e-commerce model city. Shantou is well on its way to becoming a city with the highest efficiency and the best quality of service.
Open, inclusive, and innovative. This is the character and spirit of the coastal city of Shantou, a shining pearl of the South China Sea. Welcome to Shantou.